Hey guys, welcome back. If you're tired of watery pasta, soggy veggies, or colanders that just don't hold up, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 best colanders on Amazon right now, from sink-hugging designs to heavy-duty stainless steel builds. Whether you're a home cook, a meal prep fanatic, or just someone who wants gear that actually works, stick around. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product Reviews. Pros and Cons. Product number 1. Bellemain Stainless Steel Colander. I love this one for anyone who wants a classic, no-fuss colander that just gets the job done. The stainless steel construction feels solid and heavy-duty, so it doesn't wobble or flex when you're draining a big pot of pasta. The fine mesh holes are great because they catch even small grains like rice or quinoa without letting anything slip through the sink. The handles stay cool and give you a secure grip, and the base is sturdy enough to stand on its own in the sink, which is a small detail that makes a big difference during a busy cook session. On the downside, some users notice it can get a little wobbly on uneven sink surfaces, and because it's metal, it can scratch more delicate sinks or countertops if you're not careful. It's also on the larger side, so storage might be a challenge in smaller kitchens. Overall, though, for the price, this is a dependable everyday colander.
Product number 2, U.S. Kitchen Supply Colander. This one stood out to me for its versatility. It's not just for draining pasta. It works great for rinsing berries, straining stock, and even washing veggies before meal prep. The stainless steel build feels premium, and the mesh is fine enough to handle smaller foods without losing anything down the drain. I also appreciated the wide, comfortable handles that make lifting a heavy, water-filled colander feel less risky. The bad? A few people mention the finish can show water spots if not dried immediately, so you'll want to towel it off after washing. It's also a bit pricier compared to basic plastic colanders, so if you're on a tight budget, this might not be your first pick. That said, if you want something that feels like a long-term kitchen investment, this is a strong contender for home cooks who cook often and want reliability. Product number 3, over-the-sink stainless steel oval colander. This is a total game changer for small kitchens or anyone who's short on counter space. The over-the-sink oval design means it sits right on top of your sink, freeing up your hands and countertop while you drain, rinse, or prep. It's perfect for washing fruit, veggies, or even shucking corn without water splashing everywhere. The extendable handles adjust to fit most standard sinks, which is a really thoughtful feature. On the flip side, if you have an unusually shaped or extra large sink, it might not fit as snugly as advertised, so double check your sink dimensions first. It's also not the best option if you need to fully submerge or soak food, since it's designed to sit above the basin rather than in it. But for everyday rinsing and draining tasks, especially for fitness fans prepping big batches of veggies, this is super convenient.
Product number 4. Gisafai 3 pieces 10, 12, 16 quart colander. If you cook in bulk, or just like having options, this 3-piece set is honestly a great deal. You get 3 different sizes, so whether you're draining a small batch of edamame or a huge pot of pasta for meal prep, you've got the right size ready to go. They're lightweight, easy to stack for storage, and the nesting design saves a ton of cabinet space, which home cooks with limited storage will really appreciate. The downside is that because they're lighter weight, they don't feel quite as heavy-duty as single stainless steel options, and the handles can feel a little flimsy under heavier loads. Some users also wish the mesh was a bit finer for smaller foods. Still, for the value, you're getting 3 functional colanders instead of 1, and that flexibility makes it a smart pick for growing households or batch cookers.
Product number 5, Blue Ginkgo Oversint Colander. This colander brings a nice mix of function and style. The oversint design is similar to other space-saving colanders, but what I really liked was how sturdy and well-balanced it feels when fully extended across the sink. It's great for rinsing fruits, straining pasta, or prepping big veggie batches, and the fine mesh basket catches even small bits of food. The aesthetic is also a nice bonus if you care about your kitchen tools looking good on display. On the negative side, the extendable arms can feel a bit tight to adjust at first, and it may take a few uses to get comfortable locking it into place. It's also slightly pricier than basic oversing models. That said, if you want something practical and good-looking that saves counter space, especially in a smaller apartment kitchen, this is a solid choice worth considering.
Product number 6. RSVP International Endurance Colander. This colander is built like a tank, and I mean that in the best way. The heavy-gauge stainless steel construction makes it feel incredibly durable, and it's designed to handle everything from pasta to fresh produce without any flexing or tipping. The wide, comfortable handles make pouring hot, heavy pots feel much safer, and the flat base means it stands upright on its own in the sink or on the counter. The main drawback is that it's on the heavier and bulkier side, so if you're tight on storage space, it might take up more room than you'd like. It's also priced a bit higher than basic plastic colanders, but if durability and long-term reliability are your top priorities, especially for daily home cooking, this one is hard to beat.
And that wraps up our top 6 best colanders. I hope this helped you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check the links below for pricing and details.